Find the perimeter of a right triangle whose sides are 3 consecutive even integers. The fastest way to solve this is using our Pythagorean triple. So yung pinaka-basic natin is 3, 4, 5, right? 3, 4, 5. And since the sides are even integers, we're just gonna multiply the sides by 2. So meron kang 3 times 2, 6, 4 times 2, 8, and then 5 times 2, this is 10. If you're going to add 6, 8, and 10, it will actually give you 24. So ito yung ating sagot. But then again, if you are not, if you don't memorize or you're not familiar with the Pythagorean triples, ang pwede mong gawin, you can solve this one using algebra. So since even integers yan, yung mga sides natin will be n, yung isa naman n plus 2, tapos yung isa is n plus 4. Tapos, since ang hypotenuse is the longest side, yung ating n plus 4, that will be our hypotenuse. So we could write n plus 4, squared natin yan, is equal to the sum of n squared plus n plus 2 squared. Simplify lang natin itong n plus 2 squared, that is n squared plus 8n plus 16 equals n squared plus quantity of n plus 2 squared, that is n squared, and then plus 4n plus 4. And then we just gonna combine like terms. Meron kang n dito, n squared. Sa kabila, meron kang dalawang n, 2n. So, meron kang n squared. Tapos dito naman, meron kang 4n. Sa kabila, meron kang 8n. So, maiiwan is negative 4n. Tapos, meron kang 4, meron kang 16. So, meron kang minus 12 equals 0. Now, maghanap ka ng factors ng 12, negative 12, that when added together will give you negative 4. Ano kaya yon? Meron kang negative 12 and then negative 4. So, meaning to say, meron kang 6 and 2, pero negative yan, di ba? So, that is negative 6. So, yung factors mo will be negative 6 and then plus 2. So, yung n mo will be 6. Yung isa naman, n equals negative 2. Since this is a triangle, length yan, so ito, hindi yan pwedeng maging side. So, yung sides mo will be 6. Tapos ito na, 6 plus 2, 8. Then plus 8 plus 2 is 10. So, again, that will give you 24. Follow for more.